Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming the only way unit and host are both updated and compatible. This prevents firmware mismatches. Next, power the PC down, attach the yoke to a direct USB or a powered hub to ensure stable current, and plug in. Tighten the base screws only after you align the indexing pins so the quadrant sensors seat correctly. Doing that now avoids recalibration drift later and gets you into the live setup without backtracking. Once powered and recognized, install or update the Honeycomb configurator so you can set profiles. Now run centering calibration and let the yoke settle. If tiny movements show up, set dead zone between 0.5 and 1% to suppress noise without losing feel. Next, map axes in your simulator. Assign roll to ailerons, pitch to elevator, and yaw to rudder or twist input. Make sure rates and curvature match your aircraft profile. This tuning gives predictable control response. You finish by performing full deflection checks in the sim to confirm range and linearity. Move smoothly through extremes and observe control surfaces. Then save the profile and back up the config to cloud or USB so you can restore settings quickly. If you see drift, intermittent disconnects, or stale input, recalibrate and try a different USB port or powered hub. Those fixes solve most issues. If problems persist, reinstall the configurator and rerun calibration to reset internal sensors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.